Changing your profile picture on Expedia is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Expedia website or app and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Edit profile information. In the account settings menu, look for an option that says Edit Profile or Profile Settings. Click on this to access your profile details. Step 4. Upload a new picture. Find the section for your profile picture. There should be an option to upload a new image. Click on the Upload button and select the new picture from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to finalize the update. Now your profile picture on Expedia should be updated. Enjoy your new look.